Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Shweta and today here we are learning how to draw a eyeliner. So I'm just gonna tell you my tricks, what tricks I follow. It might be different from other people on YouTube. It's just what I'm comfortable with and what I like to do. I am still not perfect doing that. I'm still learning, but I just wanna, get out there and tell you what tricks I have learned and what things I'm doing while drawing that perfect eyeliner, wingy eyeliner. So I hope you will really enjoy this tutorial. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you really like this tutorial, and make sure to let me know what else you would like to see in the next one. And as you all know, I use this Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner since ever. I tried so many eyeliners from Smashbox, Fenty Beauty, liquid eyeliners, gel eyeliners, but I always ended up going back to this product here. Like nobody can compare to this eyeliner. It has pointy nip, and that nip is like it never gone. It's never gone. With Smashbox I felt that like it has a pointy nip, but if you just try to put the lid in different way, put the cap in different way, that nip can go inside or something can happen. So if you see, this is how pointy this eyeliner is, and I'm gonna start with the outer part. And what I do first is I just mark small triangles. I just create small triangles outside, like here in this area. I just create small triangles here and here, and then if you see here, all right, I have to look into my mirror, just give me a moment. So I'm gonna do you see that? So I drew just one small tiny triangle there, and I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I'm gonna look into the mirror. I'm gonna line this area right here slowly and very close to the eyelashes, very close to the eyelashes. Unless you have full confidence, don't go thick, because sometimes that thick can be intimidating and you like end up messing up your look. So always start lining very thin near to your eyelashes and then smoothly connect it to this triangular thing right here. To draw a line a little bit above, if you see that, like a little bit above. So I'm gonna keep my eyes open and try to draw the line. Okay, so if you see, there is certain gap in here, so I don't want to fill in from here. Okay, I don't want to fill in totally from outside, but I want to fill in right here. So I have to draw the line from here to here, if you see here, right? So I'm gonna draw like that. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this eye. So keep your eyes open. And I'm looking at the mobile screen and doing it. It's so difficult. I guess I need to look in the mirror, otherwise I'm gonna end up missing this. So I have to just perfect this line right here. And I know this requires a lot of practice, lot of time. You're gonna never be a perfect at first attempt. So you have to always practice and make it perfect. And you can always go back to your beauty blender, which you use to apply the foundation, and just perfect it like this. You see that? I'm just making it more sharp. So I hope this helped you guys, and definitely ask me questions if you have anything in mind. Again, this is highly recommended Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. So if there is anything which I don't know and you think is a better eyeliner, let me know. So I'm gonna continue my makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys learned my tricks on how to draw an eyeliner. Just remember this 4 steps process. You have to draw first a wing right here like this, and then you have to draw a line hugging your eyelashes, and then third step, you have to connect that line and wing from above with eyes open. Okay, with eyes open like this, and then you have to perfect this line down here. So these are all the steps I do all the time to draw this dramatic eyeliner. If you wanna do a simple eyeliner, you can just make that wing small, or just make that wing closer to your eyes, or this duct here, and then closer to this side, and then make it less dramatic. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more of such tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you really like this tutorial, and let me know what else you wanna see in my next tutorial. Alright then, see you guys.